Hey y'all, it's your girl CC, come back at you with another one. Welcome back to my 12 days of Vidsmas. Today's video is going to be my winter nighttime routine. It's slightly different from my old nighttime routine because a lot of this has to do with moisturizing my skin because it gets so dry in the winter for sure. So let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna change, so be right back. Okay, it's probably more of a strip down, but whatever. So first things first, I have my face cleanser scrub makeup remover thing that I made. If you remember my last video, I always said I use coconut oil to remove makeup, but this is a mixture of coconut oil, honey, and baking soda, and it has like a slight scrubby type texture to it, which I like. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face, rub it everywhere, get everything off, and it's just my cleanser makeup remover all in one. And it's still like gentle on my eyes, so. I like this combination a little bit more than just coconut oil because I feel like the baking soda is really getting my face clean. And on top of that, once I'm done with this, it leaves my face pretty moisturized. Use my washcloth. Everything will just magically come off. And sometimes I have to add a little extra in my area, but you know, take that as you need it. Does that even make sense? Probably not. But yeah, it's just a really easy recipe I found on Pinterest. So, and this container my mom got me is so adorable. It has like a rose gold lid. Pizza Fresh. Next up, teeth brushing. I use an Oral-B toothbrush and Crest Pro Health whitening toothpaste. Probably don't want to watch me brush, so I'll be back. Okay, so I brush and I floss with the Oral-B floss too. Depending on how my skin is feeling, like I said, that scrub I made is pretty moisturizing, but if I have any dry spots, I'll usually use this simple Water Boost Hydrating Booster. Or if I'm having these breakouts or dark spots, then I'll use my Skin Therapy Oil, the Palmer's one. So I'm going to use some of that because these breakouts are pissing me off. Why are you there? Why are you always there? Why do you reincarnate? Why don't you go away? It's annoying. And this also moisturizes my skin as well, so. And then for my body, I use the Vino Active Natural Stress Relief Moisturizing Lotion. It has like lavender and chamomile in it. It smells really good. So if I'm feeling dry or anything, I'll just put some on it, and it's just calming also, so like I said. Obviously I'm going to take out my contacts, so I use my Bausch & Lomb Advanced Formula. It's the best. Oh, these are. So let's take these out real quick. And now I can't see again. Welcome back to the no contacts makeup challenge. Just kidding. If you want to watch it, I'm gonna link it. And put on my glasses, which are Cosmopolitan. Never liked big glasses till I got these, but hey, I can see you again. Okay, let's fully put on our PJs. Be right back. Okay, PJs are on. And I put some Vaseline on my lips because it's winter time, people. Let's go to my room, where all the magic happens, aka sleep. Okay, so on my nightstand I have some important things to show you, so let's get into it. As you can see here, I have my water bottle. Super important. I love this thing. It keeps it so warm. Simple Modern, Amazon, buy one. It came with 2 different lids, hot, cold, awesome. Over here are some important things also. This is Sweet Dreams. I rub it on my pressure points, like my temples and stuff, and it helps me sleep. This right here is a Miracle product sleep spray that I spray on my pillows. I took my pillows off my bed, so I'm going to spray the ones I sleep on with this mist. And it helps me sleep. It smells amazing. This right here is Amazon Moisture Therapy Lotion. My hands feeling super dry. I'm going to throw that on. Over on the bed, this is Avon Footworks. I should probably show it to you. If it's, you know, my feet are getting dry and stuff, awesome to put on before bed with some aloe socks. Everyone should get these. And last but not least is my bonnet head. I don't know what to call it right now. I'm lost for words. But I got this one, black one with the thick band off of Amazon, and I love it. It covers all the hair on my head. And then usually I'll end the night reading a chapter of this book. It's my current read. If I'm not exhausted and about to pass out. Yeah, that is my winter nighttime routine. This is off. I look awful, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please tune into tomorrow's next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to follow me on social media at TNBJ. That is for Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And yeah, 12 days of Vidsmas. Why can't I remember to say it correctly? Anyway, but yeah, don't forget, choose to shine, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!